web design, computer graphic, anime, music, network, securities, information process, IT, electronics, electrical are among the 34 courses offered in Japan Electronic College, located in Shinjuku, Tokyo. Established in 1958, Japan Electronic College, also called Nihon Denshi Senmon Gakko, has more than 90,000 graduates. Helping you fulfill your dreams while still in school is the sole purpose of GEC. With Japan Electronic College, you just need one step to step in the world. In many movies such as Transformers, Monsters vs. Aliens, and other famous movies, you will find computer graphic effects by a software called Maya, which is also used by GEC in its computer graphic course. In addition to overseas producers in Hollywood, Japan Electronic College is in collaboration with leading domestic computer graphic production such as Japan Omnibus, White Gummy, in order to produce computer graphic creators all around the world. Japan Electronic College is the first institution in Japan to offer the course of game software. GEC also sends students to producing companies for internships. For 13 years, Japan Electronic College has exhibited students' work at the Tokyo Game Show and has won a number of prizes in competitions. Nihon Denshi Senmon Gakko's aim is to produce industry-ready programmers and designers. From 2003 to 2007, the employment rate of graduates in the animation field has been 100%. Japan Electronic College holds 101 seminar classes for students to work with the Masters of Animation and Cartoons. GEC students have worked with the famous animation director of Duck of Flanders, Mr. Yoshio Kuroda, as well as the director of the art of animation of The Adventures of Gumball, Mr. Shijiro Kobayashi, animation director of Mobile Suit Gundam, Mr. Takahashi Imanishi, and also the character designer and animation director of the movie Prince of Tennis, Mr. Akihura Ishii, and the cartoonist author of 11, just to name a few. Many graphic and website designers who play important roles in the advertisement and publication industry in Japan these days have been trained in Nihon Denshi Senmon Gakko. Japan Electronic College students in computer design have been representing Tokyo for the last 3 years in the Gino Gorin Zenkoku Taikai, the national young skills competition. Students are given the chance to study in a professional environment with special equipments which allow them later to be creative designers in the world of computer design. Japan Electronic College also trains game software sound creators and as a specialist in the music industry. Many students specialize in the computer musical sound system, as well as game and mobile phone sound system. Each student works with his own iMac music workstation, allowing him to have the amount of practice needed to go into the professional world. Network, security, information management, IT are among the courses offered. Japan Electronic College has an impressive track record of turning out professionals in the cutting-edge fields. Many specialists in the system engineering and programming in Japan have been trained in Japan Electronic College. Students in Nihon Denshi Senmon Gakko are familiar with programs used by big companies such as NTT Advanced Technology and Hitachi System Value. Courses within the program aim at producing electrical technicians and electronic designers. It gives qualified students a competitive edge when it comes to industry placement, which explains why the employment rate in this field is so high. For the 3,000 students currently in Nihon Denshi Seimon Gakko, there are 70 classrooms, 2,300 computers, which allow each student to have access to his own PC. Professional equipment can be found in each classroom. Students have access to classrooms even after classes, which give them the chance to use the equipment needed to further their studies. In addition of the media hall, many classrooms include big screens to help improve students' understanding. Students have a wide communication space with the internet and the wireless LAN used all around the school. Japan Electronic College's biggest strength is the employment rate of its graduates, with the numerous recruiting companies being in association with the school, and the support system, specially designed to help students. Graduates rarely struggle to find a job. Students participate in seminars specially designed for each course, which later allow them to easily penetrate the job industry. More than 600 companies participate in the school fair every year, which make it easier for the student to choose a company that suits them. At the International Student Center, there is a trained staff that support international students from their admission to their graduation. With an accessible learning environment set for students, Japan Electronic College has made sure that students are familiar with the working market while still in school. In Nihon Denshi Seimon Gakko, you are given the tools needed to become a professional in your field. If you are interested in Japan Electronic College, you can participate in the numerous open campuses in Shinjuku offered throughout the year. For more information, please check the website at www.gec.ac.gp.